Hey brother, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to create a dropshipping store. But before that, we need to continue the last video. Now let's jump onto AliExpress. What I'm gonna do now is type in drone camera and click search. There is various different options that we can choose from, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to filter it by orders. So you need to click on orders to see the one that has the highest orders, and as you know, because the one that has the highest order is most likely the one that has the best reviews. As you can see, 4,000 sold, which is a decent amount of money. Now you need to go through and then check the shipping rate. As you can see, it's free shipping, it's perfect. We can see that they have 1 to 6 days delivery, so that's perfect. Now what I will do now, I am going to build a Shopify store, and of course it will take some time to build it, but you'll be able to see me building a Shopify store, and after that I'm going to show you exactly what I do in terms of contacting influencers on Instagram. I just finished creating Shopify store. I have done it very quickly just for the purpose of this video. The logo doesn't look too bright, but it quick images. I saw that very catchy. It says product, camera, etc. I put the product on the main page where customers are gonna come. This is gonna be the landing page, and I put the buy now button right. I put all the links at the bottom. Terms of service refund policy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to contact the influencers on Instagram to be able to do some sales. I hope that, I don't know if we will be able to get any, but let's try and see how it goes. Now let's find the video to use for the Instagram influencers. What you need to do, you need to search on the internet to find one, and after that after you find one, you are going to use it to promote the product. And yeah, you need to make some slight changes to it and send it over to the Instagram influencers. And before that, I'm just going to show you exactly what I do when it comes to contacting Instagram influencers. But what I'm going to do now, after I create the Shopify store, what I'm gonna do, I will try and see if I can find some influencers. They will be able to help me market the product. Now I'm going to go over to Instagram, and you need to type drone camera, and there is various different Instagram accounts that have something to do with drones. And now you will click on random one, and you are going to pre-write a message to all of them and send them the video